All right, so let's talk about how to place a trailing stop. So in this example, we're going to open up a long with Bitcoin. We're going to buy long, and we're going to place a stop loss as well. So currently price is at 9,427. We're going to place a stop at 9,300. Now let's imagine that our idea with this trade is that we're going to break this high and we're going to continue to trend upward. I probably would not want to keep my stop at my original positioning. I would more than likely want to make sure that at some point I am beginning to consider locking profit in. So what I can do is actually I can place a trailing stop order by coming down here, selecting this, and entering in either a trailing value or an activation price. So when I enter in a trailing value, as soon as this price breaks through my level, let's say that in this case I wanted to activate at that high, so let's say that at 10,000 I want a trailing stop to be activated for $50. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm, and what this is going to do is it is essentially going to start a trailing stop after 10,000 is hit. So if my intention is that this is going to trend upward and it's at least going to reach this high, when it does reach this high, there's going to be a trailing stop that's placed behind price, very similar to the way that this stop is, by a value of $50. And as long as the asset continues to move up, the trailing stop will continue to follow it. But if the asset begins to tick down, the trailing stop will remain in place. And if the asset were to drop $50, then we would essentially be stopped out. And this is just a way that we can ensure that we are locking in profits, especially when we are experiencing trending conditions.